Andrew Holness. No way I do. Here, judgment by Andrew Holness. Judgment.
Take effect. That means no one is to be seen on the streets between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. for the next 7 days. You are to stay home, maintain your social distance, wash your hands properly with soap and water.
She can do it. Look up Delir last week. Look, Delir normally could be. No movement there.
Where's the chief?
Post it tomorrow. She can do it. Look up Delir last week. Look, Delir normally could be. No movement there.
Where's the chief?
Post it tomorrow.
This is where we are going. This is where we are going. Your liberty is gone. Your liberty is gone. Your liberty is gone. Whatever we say, we take it down in writing and give it evidence. They're going to be charged for breaches and disaster risk management act, sir.
Gleaner, sir. Gleaner. I can show you all of that, sir. Right here, sir.
Where's your mask, sir? Sir, you're going to be arrested and charged for breaches and disaster risk management. How is it doing here? Yes, sir. You're not obliged to say anything unless you do. So whatever you say, we take it down in writing and give it evidence. This is the way we're going. Just follow them. I'm not obliged to say anything unless you wish to do. So whatever you say, we take it down in writing and give it evidence. Nothing to ask. Breaches and disaster risk management act. Sir, here. Give me a long time. Okay, man. Stop for me, please. Where's the man? Stop for me, not please. Stop. Come here.
Where's the man? Where's the man? What did you say? No? You're not listening to the other stuff about the Prime Minister.
To you.
Up, sir.
My viewers and subscribers, I open the ear that your liberty is gone. Your liberty is gone. And me say there's a thing in Jamaica where we say you must use sleep and door. Use sleep and mark. What? Wanna know the rest? My viewers and subscribers, I wanted to hit this like button for me. I wanted to like that video here and I wanted to share that video here with everybody. Because that video here name remember what the JLP did to us. And this is the first series. The first in a series where me I go bring up because everything what JLP do for oppress the people, I am going to be bringing it to the people. So I want you to hit the like button. I want you to share it with your family. Share it for your friend. Put it on every social media. And remind the Jamaican people because some people forget. And when them say, them are going to remember how much money the JLP make them pay. My video subscribers, you know how much people pay 250,000, 750,000, all kind of money. People pay how much money that are the regular poor people. But we fly green pay, nothing at all. What the people and we are pop champagne with them pay, nothing at all. Me tell us are two type of Jamaica, And you have to use sleep and mark that, I remember say if the JLP do it already, then we do it again. So I want you watch the video to the end. And I want you take it in and I want you pay attention and remember if them do it already, then we do it again. And that JLP, poor people suffer and the rich people enjoy life.
Officer, police, lift that, lock up politician.
No movement there.
Where's the chief?
Force it tomorrow.
Charlie, man. Lightning and thunder, earthquake, judgment by earth. You know, we know judgment on earth. Lightning and thunder for all oppressor. That's what people man. Anti-wellness. No way out here. Judgment by anti-wellness. Judgment. This is the way we are going. This is the way we are going now. Your liberty is gone. Whatever we say, we take it down in the and give it evidence. They're going to be charged for breaches and disaster risk management act, sir.
Cleaner, sir. Cleaner. I can show you all of that, sir. Right here, sir.
Let me see it going, sir.
Sir, observe me. Where on the anchor? Observe me, sir.
No.
What is this, sir?
Right?
My viewers and subscribers, I want to know for pay attention to the video, you know. You see, said the man in the yellow pants at work. The man are going on. The man have him work thing in him hand and the man tell him to work him a going on. And I want to know, say them a take the people, them and a lock up the people, them, you know. And they said the labor rights, them were up on the rooftop a pop champagne and no have no mask. Nobody not lock them up, you know. We live in an unjust society and we need to pay attention to these things. It is things like these matter. The society is unjust and the JLP is unjust. And them no fear, especially to poor people. You go and watch the rest of the video, my viewers and subscribers, and see how them deal with poor people. You go work for make a bread, $1 to take care of your family and not to live by the government. And the government send police for run you down. Andrew send police for run down the people. Look here.
Sir, you're going to be arrested and charged for breaches and disaster risk management. Yes, sir. You're not obliged to say anything honestly. So whatever you say, we'll be taking down in writing and giving you evidence. You'll be charged at it. This is the way we're going.
Just follow them.
You're not obliged to say anything unless you wish to do so. Whatever you say, we'll be taking down in writing and giving you evidence. You'll be charged at it. Breaches and disaster risk management act. Proceed, sir. Sir, here. Female on time. Hey, man. Stop for me, please. Where's the man? Stop walking up to the stop. Come here. You are, man. On time. Coming with us. On time. On time.
Where am I trouble?
Coming with us, sir.
Where's the man? What did you say? I never know. You have to listen to the order set out by the Prime Minister. And once you are traveling the public place, you must, sir, you must wear your mask.
Yes, sir. To you.
So see them viewers and subscribers, poor people, them all and pull. Poor people put in a van back and poor people get locked up. But the rich people them get bypassed. The JLP people them. I tell you in my video subscribers that I bring the evidence, you make the decision. And I was searching for a video where me see on Wayne Lonesome channel one woman has said that she pay over $750,000 them charge her. $750,000, and guess what? She's a labor right. Labor right lady well live in a Juliet Olnet constituency. She said the Prime Minister wife know her and nobody no help the woman. But remember Mama San from our class. Mama San said she and her family them the said thing, and I must say 250,000 them pay. My video subscribers, where did all that money go? What the government do with all that money? So you are go work, the government stop you, oppress you, lock you up, charge you, and take the money put in a them pocket. It is time for us to wake up and realize that, there's a decision to be made, and a serious one. And them say if you do it once, you will do it again. And Jamaicans say you must do a use sleep and do a use sleep and mark that. This is just a first video, and I will be bringing more. This video is very short, but I will bring in some short videos that you can pay attention to. And remember that you have a decision to make. Keep them in back, make them oppress the people, or vote them out. The choice is yours. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Jamaica Hot Topic. Like the video, share the video with everybody where you know. Thanks for listening, and remember, one mission with the pan.